Hi, everyone. My name is Allison Yar, and I'm super excited to share with you today one of my favorite tech tool apps called Wakelet. I stumbled upon Wakelet during the completion of one of our assignments for this course, and I found it to be incredibly useful and intuitive and also extremely accessible. Wakelet allows educators and students to save, organize, and share a variety of digital content, facilitate collaboration, and enhance resource management. So let's jump in and see how Wakelet can transform your teaching experience and also your students' learning experiences. So, on our homepage here at wakelet.com, to our top right hand corner, we have our login and our sign up. Wakelet is packed with some awesome features that make it a go to tool for educators. You can easily collect and organize links, articles, videos, images, and notes into some beautiful collections. In order to start with Wakelet, we can sign up through Apple, through Google, Microsoft, etc., or with our email. And this will allow us to create a free account and one that gives us access to just about everything we'll need through Wakelet. I do already have an account existing, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here with my credentials. This is a fantastic tool to keep all of your resources in one place and present them in a visually appealing way. I think you'll be excited to see what this offers. You can share your collections with others and invite them to contribute in real time. It's perfect for group projects, and you can collaborate with colleagues and students very seamlessly. So if we head over here to Wakelet in our top left corner, that will bring you to my account. As you can see, I have one collection here existing, and that is for one of our projects for this course. On our left-hand side, we have our search button. We can search for anything specific, such as tech tools. These are existing collections that were made by other Wakelet users. In these, I can go into any existing collection. And if I find something of interest, I can click these three dots and save any individual item. I can save this to an existing collection of my own, or I can save it to my bookmarks. Again, on our left-hand side here, we have our Explore button. And this will offer exploration of more general topics. It will allow us access to existing templates, lesson plans, examples of previous work that other Wakelet users have produced. Pretty much anything you can think of, you can find over here. And then on the left-hand side, we have My Library. And these are my curated items from Wakelet itself, as I mentioned before. These I can sort through at a later time. I can also use them to add to a new collection, to an existing collection. And then, of course, shared with me is anything that has been shared with me, with my students, with other individuals on Wakelet. I'm new to this as well, so I don't currently have any shared collections. So I'm going to take us in and create a collection in real time so we can see all the features available on Wakelet. So right over here, we have Create Collection. I'm going to click that. And in the interest of time, I've gone ahead and compiled a few resources so that I can just drop these in. So we're going to want to start with creating a title. I'm going to pop that up here, and I'm just simply going to paste that. And then I'm going to want to create a description for this particular collection. This collection is something that I want you to be able to look at in the future as well. If you're trying to figure out how best to use Wakelet for your teaching needs, for your students, etc. So I'm going to paste in our description. And now I want to add and curate a few items into here. The first one, I'm going to add in is a YouTube video. There's some great resources on YouTube and also through Wakelet's blog that allow us to really understand the functionality of Wakelet. And I'm just going to move this into a larger screen and type in Wakelet in 5 minutes and search. I'm going to bring us to our most recent 2023 video and add that. Amazing. From there, I'm going to do another copy and paste and add a little bit of text into this as well. So I'm going to click over here in text. And as you can see, any of my links are clickable. I can also add any links up here, paste a link in and save that. So these are all clickable as our viewers go through our collections. I can also make this a little bit more visually appealing. I like to do this for accessibility as well. So I will circle back around when I have a little bit more time and do that. Nothing needs to be actively saved. So when I go into edit and I make any changes, I don't need to save anything. It does so automatically, and I can just click to the right-hand side here. And then I can add in a PDF, I can add in any imagery, more links to a Google Drive, again, maybe to another Wakelet video. I'm going to add that. Perfect. And from here, if I want to see this appear a little bit lower, I can drag and drop that. And now it appears at the bottom, or I can put that right back where it was. And from here, I want to design this a little bit more, make it more customizable. I'm going to choose a different cover image. So I'm going to go to choose image and unsplash. Of course, I can also upload my own imagery and generate an image through AI. The possibilities here are endless. I'm going to choose a mountain because I find that inspiring, but I don't want it to take over too much of my page. So I'm going to reduce that to half. And then I'm going to create a background image. I'm not going to upload an image. I'm going to choose again from Unsplash. And I'm going to go with something with high contrast. So I'm going to choose this image here. This will make our lettering pop as well, making it a little bit more accessible. From here, I can change how this looks to the user. So I can make it more compact, reducing the imagery. I can also do grid view, mood board. You can also do columns. So there's a variety of different ways to make this completely customizable and user-friendly for our exact audience. From here, I can go ahead once I'm all finished and share this. So I can share and have whoever gets access to this collection the ability to view, or they can also add and collaborate with me. I can also publish it to Wakelet itself. Of course, once everything is ready, I can publish it and it would be available in the search or the explore. I also want to mention Wakelet's accessibility. There's some really cool features in this application and also for free. Wakelet offers Immersive Reader, and that is a tool that helps students with reading difficulties by providing a text-to-speech option, translation, and text customization options as well. So I'm going to show you in this collection existing that we can click on these 3 dots here and click into Immersive Reader. That will bring us right into there. And if we click play, this is going to read out all of our text. So any text that we add to our presentation can be read, and we can completely customize this as well. We can customize by text size, by font, even by color, and we can highlight nouns. We can do just about anything, syllables. It's fantastic for text to speech as well. I love this feature. Wakelet also works on smartphones, tablets, and computers, so students can access their collections anywhere at any time. And as Immersive Reader showed us, it supports multiple languages, which is super helpful for our English language learners, and everyone is included. So, one of the best parts about Wakelet is that everything I've shown you today is available in Wakelet's free version. With the free version, you can create and share unlimited collections, collaborate with others, access all the awesome accessibility features like I showed you, which is Immersive Reader, and you don't need a premium subscription to get the most out of Wakelet. If you ever need more advanced features, a subscription can offer additional benefits such as more storage space, advanced analytics, and custom branding options. But for the most part, the free version is more than enough you'll ever need as an educator, in sharing with your colleagues, as an educator, in sharing with your students, and even for student to student collaboration as well. I hope this kind of showed you a little bit more about how to use Wakelet and just the free version. I will offer, once I publish the example that I showed today, the collection, I will publish that and send the link as well for future resources and reference points for how to best use Wakelet. I really thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find Wakelet useful in all of your future classrooms.